we're showing people Detroit real estate from a new perspective. So that perspective is from the river on a little boat called the Spirit of the DYC. And it's a great way for people to see all of the buildings that are available for sale or for rent, where they could live and really enjoy the riverfront boating lifestyle, and have access to all of the amenities that the river and the river walk offer.
I think the tour has been an excellent tour. To see the revitalization of Detroit has been a wonderful thing. To see all the new and upcoming apartments and things, I think it's been really great.
It makes you think about what it would be like to buy a condo and live on the waterfront.
We learned about the stone soap development, which we understand will have movie theaters. Learned about the spaciousness of the Fort Shelby.
Boat riding on the river is always wonderful.
We always want to try doing things different, giving people a way to connect with all these great opportunities in a fun way.